How do I reset my Frigidaire freezer with the reset button?
Hello there! Having trouble with your Frigidaire freezer? Today, we'll be showing you how to reset your Frigidaire freezer using the reset button. Resetting your freezer can solve a variety of issues like temperature inconsistencies or unusual noises. Let's dive right in.
Identifying if a reset is necessary.
Before you reset your freezer, it's important to identify if a reset is necessary. If your freezer is making unusual noises, experiencing temperature fluctuations, or simply not working as expected, a reset might be what it needs.
Locating the reset button.
The next step is locating the reset button on your Frigidaire freezer. The location of this button can vary depending on your model, but it's usually found at the back of the freezer. It could be a small red or black button.
Performing the reset.
Now that you've located the reset button, it's time to perform the reset. Here's how to do it. 1. Unplug your freezer. Safety first. Unplug your freezer from the power source. 2. Press and hold the reset button. Locate the reset button at the back of your freezer and press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. 3. Plug your freezer back in. After releasing the reset button, plug your freezer back into the power source.
Checking if the reset was successful.
Once you've performed the reset, it's important to check if the reset was successful. Give your freezer some time to adjust, ideally 24 hours, and monitor its performance. If it's working as expected, congratulations! You've successfully reset your Frigidaire freezer. If not, it might be time to consult a professional. Resetting your Frigidaire freezer is a simple process that can solve a variety of common issues. Remember, the reset button is usually at the back of your freezer, and after pressing it, always give your freezer time to adjust. If you're still experiencing problems after the reset, it's a good idea to consult a professional. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy troubleshooting!